height when modified and her core. The Executive Committee.
Ilahan din na.
Ilim na nakalahit. Dito, maklaro pa.
The vibrant leaders of the Sangguniang Kabataan with our dedicated Punong Barangay, Honorable Melter S. Lapides of Barangay Awa, together with Honorable John Ellery C. Pedroso,
Wow, parte ayos din.
Honorable Roderick Duque, together with Honorable Earl C. Lopez, Honorable Arthur C. Anning, together with Honorable Joel P. Aulo, Honorable Jose P. Cabal, together with Honorable Mark Gavin C. Lloret, Honorable Edgar L. Morales, together with Honorable Anacito I. Zamora Jr., Honorable Nendo J. Amari, together with Honorable Geneva S. Tishon, Honorable Marlon S. Larayo, together with Honorable Rosendo C. Nababa Jr., Honorable Priscilla J. Gomez, together with Honorable Roji B. Ayala, Honorable Daniel E. Formiliesa, together with Honorable Judy E. Luya, Honorable Ellie E. Zamora, together with Honorable Rodaline V. Badad, Honorable Celso E. Atacador, together with Honorable Ken P. Iliedo, Honorable Johnny B. Yale, together with Honorable Jerford L. Montecalvo, Honorable Maria Concepcion S. Rizaldo, together with Honorable Michael J. R. Ediza, Honorable Ariel P. Pauline Sr., together with Honorable Michael Jedediah Lowe F. Uy, Honorable Yosdado C. Salugal Jr., together with Honorable Ivan C. Balais, Honorable Romsey P. Enihada, together with Honorable Sherilyn E. Perez, Honorable Rogelio R. Leopoldo, together with Honorable Lili G. Dumas, Honorable Jornel S. Sanchez, together with Honorable Don Mark Sampo, Honorable Adeline Q. Inungan, together with Honorable J. Christine Gay Alcala, Honorable Harvey B. Tanoy, together with Honorable Don Maynard S. Lucian, Honorable Crisanto C. Palomar, together with Honorable Lee Ann Eliza Kanda, the hard-working Sangguniang Bayan members.